Hi everyone, good morning to you all as I welcome you back again to our online learning platform. I hope you did enjoy your holidays. Okay, with that said, I'm going to get you started off this morning with our student book. So we're going to be starting with Let's Go 3, Unit 1 at School. Let's start. Okay, but one more thing. I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that we are running, this lesson is going to go on for like 2 weeks to 1 month. And what we intend to do is to be able to, at the end of these lessons, to be able to test you to see who does belong to this class and who does not. So if you did not make it up to the standard that the school expected, that means we'll be moving you down to the grade 1 student or grade 2 student, depending on where you belong. So you better take your studies seriously, pay attention while you're in class, and try to give in your best, because we want to make sure that all the students are on the same page. We are doing a grading for all of you. So it's time to get serious. So if you don't belong here, then we're going to send you back to where you belong. And if you're serious, you are ready to move on with us, then you're welcome. Okay, let's go get you started at once without wasting any more ado.
Track 2, Unit 1, At School. Let's start. A. Let's talk.
Oh no, I don't have any potato chips.
I think I have some.
Really? Do you?
Yes, I do. Do you want some?
Sure. Do you want some grapes?
Yes, please. Thanks.
Track 3.
Do you want some?
Sure. Yes. Track 4. B. Practice the words and sentences. Number 1.
Popcorn.
Number 2.
Candy.
Number 3.
Peanuts.
Number 4.
Crackers.
Track 5.
I have some popcorn. I don't have any crackers.
I have some popcorn. I don't have any crackers.
Track 6.
I have some popcorn.
I have some candy.
I don't have any peanuts.
I don't have any crackers.
Track 7. C. Let's sing. No popcorn.
I have some candy, I have some grapes, but I don't have any popcorn. No popcorn, no popcorn. I don't have any popcorn. Do you want some grapes?
I have some, but I don't have any popcorn.
Do you want some peanuts?
I have some peanuts, but I don't have any popcorn.
No popcorn, no popcorn. I don't have any popcorn. I want some popcorn, yes I do.
I love popcorn.
I do too.
Track 8. Let's learn. A. Practice the words. Number 1.
Chalk.
Number 2.
Tape.
Number 3.
Paint.
Number 4.
Scissors.
Number 5.
Glue.
Number 6.
Paper.
Number 7.
String.
Number 8.
Ribbon.
Track 9. B. Practice the sentences.
He has some paper. She doesn't have any glue.
He has some paper. She doesn't have any glue.
Track 10. B. Practice the sentences. Number 1.
She has some tape.
Number 2.
She doesn't have any scissors.
Number 3.
He has some chalk.
Number 4.
He doesn't have any paint.
Number 5.
She has some string.
Number 6.
She doesn't have any ribbon.
Number 7.
He has some paper.
Number 8.
He doesn't have any glue.
Track 11. C. Practice the question and answer.
What does he have?
He has some string.
What does he have? He has some string.
Track 12. C. Practice the question and answer. Number 1.
What does she have?
She has some ribbon.
Number 2.
What does he have?
He has some scissors.
Number 3.
What does she have?
She has some glue.
Number 4.
What does she have?
She has some paint.
Number 5.
What does he have?
He has some string.
Number 6.
What does she have?
She has some paper.
Number 7.
What does he have?
He has some tape.
Number 8.
What does he have?
He has some chalk.
Track 13. D. Ask and answer.
Does he have any glue?
Yes, he does.
Does she have any glue?
No, she doesn't.
Does he have any glue?
Yes, he does.
Does she have any glue?
No, she doesn't.
Track 14. Ask and answer. Number 1.
Does she have any ribbon?
Yes, she does.
Number 2.
Does he have any ribbon?
No, he doesn't.
Number 3.
Does she have any glue?
Yes, she does.
Number 4.
Does she have any glue?
No, she doesn't.
Number 5.
Does he have any string?
Yes, he does.
Number 6.
Does she have any string?
No, she doesn't.
Number 7.
Does he have any tape?
Yes, he does.
Number 8.
Does he have any tape?
No, he doesn't.
Track 2, Unit 1.
Yeah. I think we have to stop it there for today. As you can see, we are starting all over from Unit 1. It's cool. I know maybe some of you must have done this, but I wasn't the one who taught you all this. And I'm surprised if you've done this actually in the past and still now you still don't understand most of the things that, that are still in this book. But I'm going to take my time to teach you my own way. So that's why I'm getting you started again with the same book that you've used in the past. So I don't want any one of you to complain about anything. Say, teacher, I've used this book before, or I've done this before. You may have done this before, but still when I ask you questions concerning maybe some and any, you might be finding it difficult to answer my questions. So I have to take it up all over again so I can be sure you're well taught. So before the grading starts. So today, as you can see here, let's talk. We're talking about any and some. That is the key word here. The key words are any and some. That is where we'll be focusing on. You may have listened to this. Yes, I do. Do you want some? Sure. Do you want some grapes? Yes, please. Thanks. Okay. So here we have practice the words and sentences: popcorn, candy, peanuts, crackers. I have some popcorn. I don't have any crackers. So we use any in negative sentences, but we'll get to that soon. I also want to see the student who could be able to sing this "No Popcorn" song for me. Okay, but if you cannot sing the song, at least you should be able to read the text. Here again, we've got some words you have to practice. You have to learn how to spell all these: chalk, tape, paint, scissors, glue, paper, string, ribbon. She has some paper. He has some paper. She has some paper. He doesn't have any glue. She doesn't have any glue. So we use some in a positive sentence, and we use any negative sentence. It doesn't is our negative. So usually we use any in negative sentence, and you see, he doesn't have. I've taught you this before. When our simple present tense is in a negative sentence or a question form, usually our verb is always in the base form. That's why we have here have. Okay, with that said, here again, practice the questions. What does he have? See, the other one was negative. This one is what? Question. When we have the negative and question, our verbs are always in its base form, especially when it has to do with he, she, it, which we call the third person singular. So what does he have? He has some string. What does she have? She has, and when it is in the positive form, we use what? Has, which is the proper helping verb for he, she, it. Does he have any glue? Again, question, does he have, not has. Does he have any glue? Yes, he does. Does she have any glue? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Okay, one more thing is, what is it I was going to say? Okay, let's see. I think we stopped here for today, but which is cool because I wanted to emphasize more on the sum and any. So I'll be taking you over to my workboard section where we'll have to look at how to use sum and any in details. So here we are, as you can see, we've got using sum and any. So we have statement A. Affirmative statement means positive statement. The negative statement, then we have our question. So the first one is A. Alice has some money. It's the same. Alice has some money, which is a positive sentence or statement. We use some in affirmative statement. That means positive. Alice has some money. What about negative? Alice doesn't have any money, which is a negative sentence like I told you before. We use any in negative what? Statements. What about question? Does Alice have any money? In question, we use either some or any in a question. Does Alice have any money? Does Alice have some money? So you take note of that. I'm going to send this across. I want you to copy this in your notebook just to remind you. I don't have any money. It's a non-count. Money is a non-countable noun. I don't have any matches. Plural, countable nouns. I don't have any money. I don't have any matches. Any is used with non-countable nouns and plural countable nouns. Money is non-countable noun, and the matches is what? Plural countable nouns. So we can use any. I don't have any money. I don't have any matches. We can use any in non-countable nouns and plural countable nouns. And after that, we're going to look at some of these exercises here. Directions. Use some or any to complete the sentences. Sue has some money, because we can use I don't have any money. Do you have some money, or do you have any money? Because we can use some and any, either ways. So I'm going to let you try these ones, number 4 to number 12. Okay, got a lot of them, which is cool. Got till 16. So then maybe this is going to be your homework or something. But first of all, I would like you to go over to your workbook section and then do the exercise that we've covered today from the video you've watched. We're also going to copy this one inside. Maybe I'm going to write this one on the board for you, and other things that I needed you to know about using some and any. I think that is going to be all about it for today. It is always nice to have you here with me, and as you can see, our lessons has just begun proper. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you on the rebound. Bye for now.